How are you? Eric at Camping World, 847-493-9998. Camping World of Chicago. Going to do a quick walk around here on the Grey Wolf 26 bunkhouse. So, cool thing about this unit, it's got a deer rack on the back. So, with a spare tire, backup camera prep as well. So, that rack's up to like 400 pounds. Black tank flush on this unit, outside city water connections, as well as your sewer outlets. You got manual jacks. We can see they spread the tires a little bit further on here, and that just gives you a better sway control. This is a pretty good system they did here, separating them. We can see, so there is no slides on this unit, so there's nothing to operate or fail. It's what's considered an enclosed box. All the graphics look really nice on the outside as well. So we do got 2 propane tanks up front, battery disconnect switch as well, good underbed storage. Pop that open. So you got your power cord in there. Probably about 30 cubic feet of storage. Outside TV package and outside speakers as well. So we'll enter the coach. Get a nice spring door. Pretty awesome. And we'll go in right over here. And we can see you have the ability to hang clothes in the closet. You do get a courtesy privacy curtain there. You do have a couch right when you walk in. That's going to jackknife into a sleeper as well. We turn around here. We have a nice dinette, nice kitchen counters, an additional counter. So we can see one wide bunk right here, probably 84. And then up here, probably 72. Little double bunks. So, bathroom, towel rack, nice size shower, mirrors, vanity, refrigerator. The refrigerator you can use on propane, gas, or electric. Let me know if you have any questions on this unit as well. Air system storage becomes really important. You both get nightstands with plug-ins, USB ports. It's got pretty much everything. Let me know. Eric at Camping World, 847-493-9998. Thanks. Have a great day.